Good morning. It is 7 o'clock. It is time to get up. What a beautiful morning. The sun is shining. I always make my bed in the morning. It helps me start my day. First, I wash my face. Then, I brush my teeth. Now I am ready. I need to go to work. I usually have eggs and toast for breakfast. I also have some fruit. I like quiet mornings. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. It is 8 o'clock. I need to leave now. I usually walk to the bus stop. It takes about 10 minutes. Good morning! Good morning! Nice dog. Thank you. Here is my bus. I am going to work. I enjoy looking outside the window. I can see many shops and houses. I am at work now. My working day begins at 9.
Good morning, Daniel. How are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine.
First, I check my emails. Then, I answer my messages.